A shaft of diameter d is subjected to twisting moment T and bending moment M if the maximum bending stress is equal to maximum shear stress developed, then M is equal to. We know that bending equation is equal to M by I equal to F by Y equal to E by R, and our torsion equation is T by J equal to G theta by L equal to tau divided by R. From this, bending stress F is equal to My by I and shear stress tau equal to Tr divided by J. My equal to d by 2, and moment of inertia of a shaft of diameter d is pi d raised to 4 divided by 64, and shear stress tau is T, R is d by 2 and J is pi d raised to 4 divided by 32. By equating these two values, we can solve this d by 2 and pi d raised to 4 by 64 and pi d raised to 4 by 32. Here comes a 2, that is 2m equal to T and m equal to T by 2, and our option is, and our answer is option A.